At Back to Normal Physical Therapy, we are always trying to find new modes, methods, and pieces of exercise equipment. One versatile and portable piece of equipment is the MOTR. This is an all in one exercise system that brings a new level of challenge and fun to your workouts. MOTR stands for more than a roller. It combines the benefits of a foam roller with the resistance and versatility of a Pilates reformer. This portable exercise system uses a foam roller with attached resistance bands, allowing you to perform a wide range of exercises that improve strength, balance, and flexibility. MOTR offers a full body workout that can be customized to meet your specific needs. Its adjustable resistance levels and multiple exercise options make it suitable for everyone, from beginners to advanced athletes. You can target every major muscle group while also improving your posture and coordination. This system's unique design challenges your balance and stability, helping you engage your core and other stabilizing muscles without the need for large equipment. MOTR is also highly portable, making it easy to incorporate in your home exercise routine, at the park, or take with you on the go. Plus, the variety of exercises and interactive nature of the system keep your workouts engaging and fun.